Okay, Lexus just dropped a bombshell that's got everyone talking. Imagine the legendary LFA. But now, it's all electric. That's right. The LFA is back. And it's ditching its iconic V10 for an electric powertrain. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this could change everything for Lexus and the future of sports cars. But wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. Just announced. The new LFA Concept isn't just a name change. It's a bold statement that Lexus is going all in on electrification. Developed alongside Toyota Gazoo Racing's GR-GT Supercar and GR-GT3 racecar programs. The LFA Concept is set to push boundaries. Picture this. A low center of gravity, low mass, and advanced aerodynamics. All built on Toyota's first high-rigidity all-aluminum spaceframe. Enthusiasts, this is what dreams are made of. But here's where things get really interesting. The concept reflects Toyota chairman Akio Toyoda's vision to preserve core vehicle development skills for the next generation. While no details about the battery size or chemistry have been released, rumors are swirling about advances in solid-state batteries. Imagine the potential of this technology in the new LFA. And with a design that combines the sensual proportions of the original LFA with EV optimization. It's a visual masterpiece too. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. The LFA Concept's interior focuses on enhancing the driver's connection to the car. With a minimalist layout and a funky yoke-style steering wheel. It's designed for intuitive operation. Lexus is aiming for a universal sports car shape that resonates across regions and eras. Measuring 184.6 inches long and featuring a two-seat configuration. It's not just about looks. It's about creating an immersive driving experience. Now get this. This move by Lexus signifies a major shift in the automotive landscape. As more brands pivot to electric, Lexus is positioning itself at the forefront with cutting-edge technology and design. Could this be the start of a new era for high-performance EVs? So, what do you think? Is the electric LFA the future of sports cars? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most and hit subscribe. Because next week I'm breaking down how this shift could impact the entire industry.